Subscribe to my channel for weekly workout sessions and also press on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. It's time to do 10 minutes intense quad workout. Strong quads are important for walking, squatting and good posture. This routine has one circuit. You can repeat the circuit taking 1 minute break between two circuits. Exercise 1 is split squat on your right leg. Stand straight. Take your right leg to the front and left leg behind on your toes. Take a firm grip and hold your balance. Keep your hands on your waist or hold them to the front. Squat down. Left knee should be 1 inch above the ground and right knee should be in line with the right toe. Do 10 repetitions. Now similarly, we'll do 10 repetitions for split squat on left leg. You should feel your weight on your left leg or left quad. The leg which is behind should be easy. Let's do 10 repetitions of squat pulses. Stand straight with hip width distance in your feet. Now squat down and hold the position. Now pulse by keeping the lowest position and maintaining the correct posture. I am giving the link for squat tutorial in the description below. Now let's do 10 repetitions of basic bodyweight squats. Stand straight with hip width distance in your feet and squat down. Maintain the correct posture. Your knees should be in line with your toes. Ten repetitions for drop squats, and here we go. Jump out, then squat and touch the ground with your right hand and jump back in. Again jump out and touch the ground with your left hand and jump back in. Don't bend forward. Instead, maintain the squat position. Keep the knees in line with the toes. Let's do 10 repetitions of reverse lunges on right leg. Stand straight on the top of the mat. Take your left leg behind and lunge. You should feel the weight on your right leg. Now similarly, we'll do 10 repetitions of reverse lunges on left leg. Take your right leg behind and lunge. You should feel the weight on your left leg. Now again we are going to do 10 repetitions of squat pulses. Try not to take any breaks in between these exercises unless and until you're finished with circuit 1. Now let's go for bodyweight squats. Do 10 repetitions. In case you need to know how to do a basic squat, the link is provided in the description below. Last exercise of the circuit, drop squats. Do not give up. Done with circuit 1, take 1 minute break and start with circuit 2. End the routine with some stretches. Link for the stretches is given in the description below. Subscribe to my channel for weekly workout sessions and also press on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you.